Hello, welcome to our channel, the Global Updates Official. In this video, you will see the latest information about the latest upcoming device, Realme Race. So, let's start it. Realme Race launch has been teased by the company. The company's China President Su Qi has confirmed that its Snapdragon 888 powered Android phone will be announced after the Spring Festival, i.e. sometime after February 12th in China. This means Realme Race will lock horns with the Redmi K40 series, which is also gearing up for a February launch in the home country. In addition to Snapdragon 888 SoC, the Realme Race specifications will include a 5000 mAh battery, 125-volt fast charging support, and up to 12 GB RAM option. It is also said to come with a quad camera setup in which 64 megapixels, 32 megapixels selfie shooter, and probably a punch hole design on the front. 6.4 inches 90Hz refresh rate Super AMOLED screen, 1080 by 2400 pixels with 409 ppi density. There will be a Realme Race Pro variant as well, which is tipped to rock a 160Hz refresh rate Quad HD Plus OLED screen, and the expected price of Realme Race is 69,999 rupees. And whenever we will know about the unconfirmed specifications about all devices, then we will update you. So make sure to subscribe to our channel for the latest information about the latest devices. Thanks for watching. If God wills, so we will meet on the next video. Until then, take care.